Grace lifted 110 pounds for 5 repetitions at a distance of 23 centimeters or 0.23 meters from sitting at rest. To figure out how much work was done, we used EG equals MGH. Then we substituted 110 pounds for the mass times 4.5 newtons per pounds for the G and 0.23 meters for the height, or in this case distance. We multiplied 110 pounds times 4.5 newton per pound and crossed out the pound units to get 495 newtons times 0.23 meters, and then found out in one repetition 113.85 joules of work was done. Since we did 5 repetitions, we had to multiply this amount of work by 5 to get the total amount of work done to be 596.25 joules. To find out how much power was done, we used the equation power equals work over time, power equaling 596.25 joules of work done in the 5 repetitions over the 6 seconds or total amount of time it took Grace to do the 5 repetitions. Power then equaled 99.375 watts. In conclusion, Grace used 596.25 joules of work and 99.375 watts of power in her workout. Teresa walked for 5 minutes and burned approximately 23 calories on the treadmill. We calculated how much work was done by noting that 1 calorie equals 4,181 joules and substituted the 1 calorie for 23 calories burned and multiplied it by the 4,181 joules per calorie, cross-canceling out our calorie units, which left us with 96,163 joules of work put in. With the amount of work discovered, we could fill in the equation for power equals work over time. Power equals 96,163 joules over 300 seconds or 5 minutes, which gave us power equals 320.54 watts. In conclusion, Teresa used 96,163 joules of work and 320.54 watts of power in her workout.